Today I'm going to show you how to make 2-ingredient chia pudding. It's super creamy and it makes a lovely snack or breakfast treat. And I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the full recipe and lots of ideas for flavor variations and toppings too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment to let me know if you enjoy chia pudding. So these are the only 2 ingredients you need. Coconut milk, so I'm using canned coconut milk, so it's full of healthy fats and flavor, and chia seeds. That is all you need. So I've got a bowl over here and I'm just going to pop half a cup of coconut milk in, and then I'm adding in 2 heaped tablespoons of chia seeds. Struggling to focus on this. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. There you go, that's a bit better. Just try to readjust and move that out the way. And just mix through the chia seeds until they're all submerged in the coconut milk. And then it's just a matter of leaving it in the fridge for the chia seeds to do their magic. I like my texture really pudding-like, so I'm quite happy leaving it like this. You could also stick it into a blender and then the chia seeds blend in and it still has the same lovely thick pudding texture, but not quite as thick and chia-like, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm happy with that. And now it's going to go in the fridge and I'll show you once it's thickened up. And a few hours later, the 2-ingredient chia pudding has set up perfectly in the fridge and it's lovely and thickened. And if I pop a spoon in, you can see, oh, it's beautiful and thick and just how I like it, and it just makes such a lovely breakfast snack. You can adapt it to add chocolate in or berries. There's really so many ways you can enjoy a chia pudding, and I'll write all that down in the blog post below so you've got loads of ideas how to enjoy it. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know how you like your chia pudding. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.